So we come to the TPMA meeting every year with just so many doctors concentrated in one area. And we feel like it really gives us a tremendous amount of opportunity to interact with the doctors and kind of get our message out as to what we do and how we can help benefit them.
This particular conference, I think, is probably one of the most well attended. The content of a lot of the lectures here really pique a lot of interest for doctors.
It's just a great way to interact with our clients and customers.
When they add the assistance track, a lot of opportunity to really get, one-on-one and more education with not just the doctors but the staff too.
A lot of it is just the excitement leading up to it, to the potential for the new doctors that we're going to meet and the interactions that we're going to have, and just general growth of our business and helping people out.
I love TPMA. I like to keep my finger on the pulse of podiatry in Texas, and there's no better way to do that than this award-winning organization that is made up of a group of wonderful people that work together to protect our scope and networking with many others in the state.
I think the thing that I like most about being a member of TPMA is just the access that I have to different services, as well as being able to get to know my colleagues in the state of Texas and seeing them at these meetings and gaining the knowledge that they have through either personal conversations or the wonderful lectures that the TPMA offers.
We make friends with some of the vendors and you guys, and it's a good experience to be able to, see the same people every year.
Coming here and going to the lectures, learning, catching up, and being able to pass that down to young members or colleagues.
Texas has a track record of having some of the best CME programs in the country, second best to none, and I like to keep abreast on the current evidence that's offered here in the lectures and see the growing number of vendors that come to support us in Texas and show us our new products, and also networking with other podiatrists and making lifelong friends.
We have so many benefits of being a TPMA member that it links you in with the APMA, so we have information on the national level as well as the state level. We have opportunities to share information about changes within the profession, payment changes, other legal things that may be of interest, and serving as a collective group to protect our interests within the scope of our practice.
The most important takeaway is always learning something new. I also like the interaction with people that I haven't seen, with the vendors. You'll talk to other people, oh, did you try this new product? You can use this code. So it just allows you to interact, and then you pretty much take home whatever you think you're gonna use.
Getting an opportunity to see people that I haven't seen for several months and sometimes a year, catching up and discussing social things as well as professional things.
What I think is the most important benefit is that we look out for each other.
I initially joined TPMA as a resident, and this was initially because my residency director had promoted joining the TPMA. The years that I've been in TPMA, that answer has changed. I find that since this is my profession and this is my lifelong career, why wouldn't I want to join an organization that helps protect, serve, and inspire podiatrists throughout their career?
I always wanted to be a doctor ever since I was a little girl. I had to work hard, sleepless nights, still sleepless nights sometimes, but for the most part, I worked hard at doing that.
What new pearl can I take from this conference and put into my own personal practice? There's a lot of information, so you just try to find the thing that you can implement this time around and try to put that into play.
The TPMA is very supportive and very loyal, not just to a company, but to the individual representatives. You don't see that a lot. It's very eclectic. This has a camaraderie that
It's like
is
family.
very different. Yeah,
It's family. It's family. It's friends. It's
Being able to train those young people to be the podiatrists and physicians of tomorrow.